parts, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope your weekend is going very swell. Mine is. All right, I get asked the question a lot, when will a turbo system be available to the public? All right, a Hot Damn Racing Team turbo system. System's doing pretty good. I'm not done with the system yet, guys. I don't have it where I want it. And then I want to be honest with you on this. I don't know if I'll have a kit or not available for sale where you can just install it on your truck, tune it, and go. All right, but this is what I will have for sure. Either you can print it out or I can ship it to you through the mail when I'm done. All right, and I get the final draft done on this, you can have it. All right, now I'm not going to give this to anybody. All right, I'm going to give this to guys that have a good attitude. That's all it takes to get this. All right, so what I have here is I have diagrams. All right, I have some printouts. This is all of the turbo system that's on the truck. You've guys seen these pictures before 100 times. All right, everything will be there, videos. All right, pictures. So you can match the words with the objects, all right? This is something that kind of, would have helped me out if I had something like this. Gonna have prices, options, right? Options. This isn't the final draft, but when I have the final draft, there will be price options, different options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything done that I want to get done with the turbo system. I'm going to run it through this winter, run it through the summer. If everything is good to go, all right, this will be available. You will be able to just go ahead and take the Hot Damn Racing Team diagram instructions, go ahead and make your own kit and have some fun. And guaranteed you are going to save some money, all right? And you will be able to increase the boost, decrease the boost, whatever. The capabilities are pretty much limited to how much your truck can handle. All right, and that's what it is right there, pretty badass. So that's what I'm going to do. I get the question a lot, when am I going to make a kit? I couldn't say I am or not, all right? But I can say when I am done, and it works good, all right? I have no issues, winter, summer. So far, it's fantastic. I'm so excited about this. All right, so far, it's super fantastic. But we're not done yet. We got the seasons, we got time, all right? We got the test of time, and that's where I'm at with the turbo system right now. I want to make it how I want it, number one. All right, number two, does it stand the test of time? All right, that's where we're at with it. I'm not trying to throw anybody junk. But as of right now, it's really fun and it's really exciting. All right, hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right, and hopefully I can get this tidied up ASAP and get out to the track. Need money to buy the parts that I want. And need the tracks to open to get to them. All right, hot damn hell yeah, get some.
whip.